Living in Miami Beach means enjoying sunshine, ocean breezes, and a tropical lifestyle that blends relaxation with beauty. However, the same warm climate and coastal conditions that make this area so desirable also call for smart home design, especially when it comes to windows. For homeowners looking to enhance ventilation, protect against rain, and improve energy efficiency, awning windows are an excellent choice. Their unique top-hinged design allows them to open outward from the bottom, creating a sleek, modern look that's as practical as it is stylish. Here are the top benefits of installing awning windows in Miami Beach residences, and why they're perfectly suited for coastal living. All-weather ventilation for coastal comfort. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to provide ventilation even during rainy weather. Because they open outward from the bottom, the glass forms a protective awning that allows fresh air to enter while keeping rainwater out. In Miami Beach, where afternoon showers are common, this design lets homeowners enjoy cooling ocean breezes without worrying about water seeping indoors. Whether it's a light drizzle or humid summer day, you can keep your awning windows slightly open to maintain airflow and reduce indoor stuffiness. This year-round ventilation helps create a more comfortable living environment and reduces your reliance on air conditioning, a major plus in South Florida's warm climate. Energy efficiency. For Miami Beach's tropical climate, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Miami Beach, where air conditioning often runs non-stop for much of the year. Awning windows are built to seal tightly when closed, preventing hot, humid air from leaking inside and keeping your cool air where it belongs. Modern energy-efficient awning windows include double-pane or triple-pane glass for improved insulation, low-E coatings that reflect heat and harmful UV rays. Argon gas fills between glass layers to reduce heat transfer. These features help lower your cooling costs and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, even under the intense Miami sun. With professional installation, awning windows contribute to a quieter, cooler, and more efficient home environment. Protection from rain and coastal conditions. Miami Beach's tropical weather brings both sunshine and sudden storms, so durability is key when choosing windows. Awning windows are designed with weather-resistant frames and secure locking mechanisms that provide strong protection against wind and moisture. High-quality awning windows made from vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass resist corrosion, warping, and salt damage, issues that often affect homes near the ocean. With proper sealing and professional installation, they help prevent water intrusion, protect your home's structure, and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Their design also helps minimize condensation and mold buildup by maintaining proper airflow, a valuable feature in humid environments. Enhanced style and natural light. Beyond performance, awning windows bring a touch of modern elegance to Miami Beach homes. Their sleek, horizontal design complements contemporary coastal architecture while adding dimension and sophistication to your home's exterior. Inside, they allow for ample natural light without compromising privacy or comfort. Many homeowners pair awning windows with picture windows to create wide, light-filled views while maintaining the ability to ventilate. Whether installed in living rooms, bedrooms, or bathrooms, they give your space an open, airy feel that aligns with the relaxed, sunlit lifestyle Miami Beach is known for. Improved security and peace of mind. Awning windows may look sleek and minimal, but they're built for security. Their locking mechanisms pull the sash tightly against the frame, creating a seal that's difficult to pry open from the outside. When closed, these windows provide strong protection against intruders and storms alike. Many models also include impact-resistant glass, offering extra security and peace of mind, an important consideration for coastal homeowners. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Thanks to modern materials and finishes, awning windows require very little maintenance. Their compact size and simple hardware make them easy to clean and operate. With professional installation and proper care, high-quality awning windows can last 20 years or more, providing dependable performance and beauty for decades. A perfect match for Miami Beach homes. For homeowners in Miami Beach, awning windows are more than just a stylish upgrade. They're a practical, energy-efficient, and weather-ready solution for coastal living. They enhance airflow, protect your home from rain, and stand up to Florida's humidity and salt air, all while complementing the region's bright, breezy architectural style. When you're ready to upgrade your home, work with a trusted Miami Beach window installation professional who understands the local climate and building codes. With expert installation, your new awning windows will keep your home comfortable, secure, and beautiful, no matter what the weather brings.